Hiya, Georgie. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie? Here. Take it.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Venti XL coming to you with another video, and today I'm bringing you this Pennywise inspired makeup look. This is specifically from the scene where he gets stabbed in the eye and starts transforming into this freaking crazy scary beast. This part was probably the scariest part for me personally in the movie because it features the part where he's coming out of the fridge, and that thing is scary, okay? That part is so scary to me. I know a lot of people are probably scared of the garage part, but that part really sold it for me. Like, that was scary. That was so scary. If you guys wanna see how I got this look, just keep watching.
As you can see, I already have the headpiece on, and now I'm gonna move on to sketching out the body piece. And for this, I'm just using a regular eyeliner pencil. So now I'm going to go in with some white face paint, and I'm leaving some parts empty just so that I know exactly where I'm going to add some shadows later. Now I'm going to go ahead and start outlining certain parts with black. As you can see, I'm going around those squiggly lines, and I start shading in with my finger, like rubbing it in, just to create a little bit of shadow. And I'm also going to do that for the bottom chest piece area as well, because I want this look to be very muddy and dirty looking, because I feel like Pennywise is not a clean-cut creature. He's very messy and scary looking, so that's what I'm going for with this paint job. Now going in with some red, I'm going to go ahead and do the side portions. And I'm going to also fill in the center with red. Now to add a little bit of dimension, I'm going to go ahead in with some gray face paint, and I'm just going to create some deep points to my little curvy section, I guess. And for the more deeper sections, I'm going in with, and I'm going to blend that out a little bit. And we have to make sure to do the same for the arm section, the arm part. So like those puffy sleeves are supposed to be puffy, but it's on my skin, so it can't really be that puffy, you know? And then I'm gonna go in with some tan eyeshadow. And this is just to give off that more vintage look to the costume, because I know that his costume is not just pure white. It has a nice tan tint to it, so that's what I'm trying to do here. And I go in with tan and a little bit of brown eyeshadow as well. Now for highlighting in the red sections, I'm just going in with some orange face paint, and later on I go in with white. So now going in with white face paint, I'm just going to start highlighting any point of the fabric that is supposed to be higher than others. So basically edges, the center part of the black, I'm just going to highlight. And highlighting is like my favorite part, so I do that all over basically. And that is basically it for the body piece. Just going in with some black face paint just to kind of slim out my neck. Now I'm going to take the prosthetic mask that I made in my part 1 video, and I'm just going to place it on my face to see where I want my black paint to go. And then after that, I'm just going to fill that area up with black so that when I open my mouth, you can't see my actual skin. And I'm going to glue that face piece down with some Pros-Aid. So you can see I'm going in with my finger, which is a bad idea. I feel like you can use something else, but I went in with my finger to place it and then let it dry, and then I'll place it on my face. I'll place the mask on my face and I press it on there. I know you guys don't see me pressing it on, but I do press it on there and hold it there for a while until it dries. And I do the same with the eye piece. So to glue down the edge of my makeshift bald cap, I am using liquid latex and pieces of toilet paper. Now, toilet paper and liquid latex is creating a nice textured look to this, which is awesome because Pennywise definitely has texture on his skin. So this was an easy way to do it without having to shade in anything. Then of course I go in with some white face paint and I just go all over. I do leave certain spots open just because I know I'm going to go in with some red lipstick, but then after that I do fill it in. Now I'm making sure to go ahead and set it with some white face powder, and then I'm going to start contouring with black eyeshadow. Now, Pennywise doesn't look like he sleeps at all. I mean, he does sleep 27 years, but I feel like he needs more sleep in his life, you know? Stop bothering these kids. So I'm going to go ahead and add some red eyeshadow around the rings of my eyes with black. And I just kind of make this messy. I don't want this look to be neat at all, okay? So it's going to look crazy, all right? And then I go in with some thin eyebrows using some eyeshadow again. And using some red liquid lipstick, I'm just going to create the lines, attaching it to the corners of my mouth and my fake mouth. As well as going in with that on my nose. And I'm going to outline that with some black eyeshadow. Then for a finishing touch, I'm going in with that black hairspray and spraying it all over my body and my face. I get a little carried away with this, but it's fine. It's supposed to be messy.
Alright, so I freaking added in some red contacts, as you can see. I know he has yellow eyes, like yellow beaming eyes, but I don't have any yellow eye contacts right now. I just have my red ones, so we're just doing red for now. Okay, and I freaking like how it came out. I really love this look. It looks really cool. I hope you guys do too. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me, or you'll float too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.